USD. Um, we're going to doing a quick breakdown following the previous video that I put out regarding what we should be looking out for on GBP Now, from my previous video, I more or less said we could be looking for GBP to sell off, following the fact that after this big bearish day, okay, that we had a few weeks ago, we've now had an indecision, which more or less tells us that you know what, this bullish move from the retracements could be coming to an end. So we took that down to the daily time frame, and also on the daily time frame, we saw that price reached into 1.35 and closed as an engulfing candle, which more or less tells us selling momentum. Selling momentum, guys. So I did say we're going to be looking for this new week. We're going to be using this doji candle as our boundary. Okay, seeing the high and the low. If I did say if we see a price break above the high, that means we could be going long. A price break below the low means we could be selling shorts. Now, right now, we're still in the middle, but from my technical analysis, okay, after seeing this daily bearish candle, it more or less tells me that you know what, sellers are very much still coming into the market, but gradually. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, we saw that during this was the excuse me guys, this was the indecision candle. As you can see, it was a retrace on the 4 hour time frame, which we've now seen a break below. So now we've made a lower low. Okay, so what I'm looking out for on this pair would be a slight retrace. Okay, maybe back into the zone, and then we look short to the downside. Simple, because right now if you look on the weekly time frame, looking at the weekly time frame, we are bearish in nature. Okay, the daily as well, selling off. The 4 hourly now, we've transitioned from higher low, higher low, higher low into lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Okay, so we now have all the time frames in one direction. So we have the daily, the weekly, the daily, and um, potentially the 1 hourly in going in one direction. So guys, I'll check back with you guys later and see how it plays out, because right now on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the 1 hour time frame traded above this area of resistance right here. Okay, so more or less be making a higher low right here. So we're waiting for the lower time frame now to transition, but I want to see price reach as far back as this support area on the 4 hourly before I'm looking to sell short. So guys, just a quick update on GBPUSD. Have a good trading day, and I'll check out with you guys later.